Alright guys, I have an 04 LS430. This is the same for all the LS430 models. So the other day I blew the fuse to my cigarette lighter to be able to charge my cell phone. So I looked in the manual and found where the fuse is for the cigarette lighter. I'm going to make a quick video here just to show you how easy it is to replace it. I'm talking about the front lighter up here. So you have a fuse panel. It's on this passenger side footwell, where your foot would be down here. It's this little box here. There's this little pin over here. You pull that pin out. Hinges on this side. Alright, now the fuse that runs the cigarette lighter is going to be this 15 amp right here. It's in the center, second one up. I'm going to use a pair of pliers to remove it. You can use a fuse puller, a pair of pliers, whatever it takes. Alright, oops, just dropped it. Here is the fuse, and you can see that it is blown. Now we're just going to replace it. I want to make sure it's a 15 amp fuse. Don't put any other size fuse other than a 15 amp fuse back in there. There's the old one. There's the new one. The one on the right is the blown one. The one on the left is the good one. And you want to put that back in there, like I said. You just push it all the way in. It's that simple, folks. Put this cover back on. It hinges on this side over here. Then you just push this little knob back in. It's back in place. I'm going to throw away our old fuse. Put my pliers away. Come over here. Oh, I guess it doesn't. Guess I got to have my foot on the brake. But anyways, that's how easy it is to replace the cigarette lighter fuse in your car. It's common nowadays with all these cell phone chargers and whatever you're trying to charge off of it. If you blow a fuse, it's not a big deal. That's why they put a fuse there, so nothing catastrophic happens. Hopefully this video was helpful for you. And this is the same for all the LS430 models from 01 to 06. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, subscribe, give it a thumbs up. I appreciate it.